them basically say, me I look clout, them not like me a bitch, me a hater, me a this, me a that. Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Why the door open? Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Ooh, I know what's wrong, so. Hey guys, what's the door? Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? What's not stopping? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Ooh, natural air don't care. Anyway, so wow, I don't know deal with my heart. Anyway, so yeah guys, so today's video we're gonna reading mean comments video. Like we post 2 videos the other day. It's also some really positive comments. So we just want to say shout out to everybody who down in the comments who have my back, everybody who believe can know what me attack, and everybody who Team Shawna, you know, I say shout out to all of you guys. So thank you for the support, thank you for the love, thank you for see as me attack when did a mean comment that come in. Thank you for all I wanna do in the comments. Why my nose ring still so? Anyways, just like I get straight into the video guys. So I'm gonna read the mean comments they wanna say and address them because I know say any little thing I say, I have to talk about it once about me, so ain't nobody gonna tell me to shut up. But before we jump in the video guys, smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, give this video a big ass thumbs up if you like it. If you're new, smash the subscribe button. Oh my god. Yeah guys, so anyways, let me go on YouTube and find the mean comments. We're not chat about in the comment section. And before we go into the video guys, in the phone I'm gonna say why you see all my love negativity, why the mean comment them you address, why I can't address a positive comment. Because I'm the attention and no one that's when I say so I could give them my attention because I have time today. So that's Sunday I have time today, I want my attention, I'm gonna get my attention. But don't shout out all who are give me the positive comments and all who have my back. Shout out to them. Follow me on Instagram guys. Link gonna be down in the description. And also I just make one TikTok account. Follow me on TikTok too at I am Shawna with 2 S same as my Instagram. So let me just jump straight into the video. First thing first. Somebody say oh boy, somebody say you want to fear me man. Yeah, my name Lennon. You want to fear me man. So but let me say something. Somebody say I never know so talking your truth means you want to fear me. Okay? If I say I gonna get fame, will call me famous Shawna. The freak? Shut up. Chat too much. But I want fame. When somebody try to do you wrong, tell them say, oh it's alright, I look at fame, I go look when we talk about it. Enough. Next. Somebody say your IP, oh my hype. Oh my hype. Oh my hype, you talk your truth? Okay, bye. The freak. Somebody say you're ugly now F. Thank you. Okay. And your point is? No realize most of them people will have something negative, so them always never have a profile picture. You know why? Because they're big and insecure. So the only ugly person in this situation are you. Okay? So obviously you're insecure to say because somebody is ugly. Who do I see how you look? Somebody say I don't like you. don't care. I don't even know you though, so okay. I'm unbothered. Yeah, I feel like my boo. Love you too. So they say you're fully, if you did intelligent as what you say, you would come make a problematic video. And if you did intelligent as how you claim to be, you would understand why I made the video. Dumb. You know, somehow, like, you not really dumb or not intentionally act dumb. Because I really want to know. You're not that dumb when you can't understand the purpose of the video, or you just intentionally act dumb. Like, talk to me. Because I can't so serious. I can't so serious. Everybody, but it's a fake page. It's a fake page. Okay. Alright. Okay. So what they say, you are the scammer. Say you are the scammer. Remember scam for me? I'm not going to call your name because I'm not get no clout. Remember scam for you. I'm waiting. Tell me. May I wait? You don't talk? I'm a scam. Oh, that? Come on, girl. That's not scamming. So I say you're so childish for posting this. And you're so childish for watching it. Why you watch it? Huh? So I say enough for post it. And enough for reply. Enough for comment. Girl, stop with the attitude, please. And if I don't, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Anyways, somebody said unsubscribing. Bye. See you on the other side when I make it. I said, shut up, look at clout you want. How are you want? What do you want? You want my attention? That's why you said that? Alright, sit here. Sit there, take it. Since you want my attention, take it. Someone say no one like you. Oh my god.
You know how I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you.
Oh my gosh. That's supposed to hurt my feeling? Because I like me, so nobody else like me. Obviously, I don't. I say no one like me. Go back and look again with your stupid ass. So, girl, your name Campbell. You're big and old and ugly. No. Me can never have the same last name because something serious wrong with you. You embarrass everybody with the Campbell name, so you need to change your last name. Okay, bro? You're embarrassing us. Stupid ass. Somebody say subscribers, yeah, look. Okay, alright, so whether or not I post the video looking subscriber, people only going to subscribe if them like you. So if I post the video and get subscribers or fight, them like me, so what is the point? Because if somebody was something and them not like you, they ain't gonna subscribe, so what you there? Obviously you like me, make you find the time to comment, so thank you. Clout, yeah, look. Most of them saw me and say a clout. And what you looking? Apart from my chest. That one was for you. You know yourself. Whew. Somebody say, why you put this on the media? Why you there on the media? Watch it. Why you on the media? Watch it. Somebody say, if you have a problem, text straight. Haters, you bitch. Okay, I'll be that. Thank you. Somebody say, I don't. Basically, I say, Me I look clout, them not like me. Me a bitch, me a hater, me a this, me a that. Okay, but I'm still Shawna, so what are you saying? I'm still Shawna. My unfazed by what I really say. You know, my unfazed by what I really say. Because first of all, I'm not even did go address the comments saying, but since I'm on my attention, I'm have time today, like I said before, I can answer them. So, and anyways, you know what I have to say? I don't care. Not one of you have to say in the comments, I really don't care. I really don't, because I done say my piece already, and that's that. So, peace out. I'm on Facebook. Dosa. Bye.